Hi guys, this is the Tecware Phantom 96 RGB mechanical keyboard. In this video, I'm not going to review this keyboard because you can find some other great video reviewing this keyboard. But I want to specifically talk about the hybrid TKL numpad layout. By default, there's two layouts, the numpad layout and the TKL layout. You can switch simply by push this button to switch between the two layouts. This is the numpad layout. You can see all the key is active, and this some of key is not active, like this is not active. On this TKL layout, you have dedicated arrow switch, and then you can see when you on TKL mode, this button is insert, home, page up, delete, and page down, the legend on the bottom. It gets interesting when you switch to numpad layout. Actually, in this numpad layout, you have two other layout. How? There's from the numlock. So, when your numlock is active, this keyboard is like the dedicated keypad. 1, 2, 3, 0, 00, dot, enter, plus, slash, etc. Just like dedicated numlock. But when the numlock is not active, you can see the indicator on the left side of this keyboard. When the numlock is inactive, actually you have arrow key. This is up, right, left, and down. This might be confused because at this key is acting as down key. So when the numlock is not active and you on the numpad layout, this key is up, right, left, and down. This is home, page up, page down, and key. So actually, you can switch between three modes in this keyboard. This is very handy. It can accommodate all your needs of the keyboard layout. So that's all for me. Hopefully the explanation about this keyboard layout help you to consider buying this product. So personally, I do love this keyboard. It's very good, it's very great, and also have the best value.